Welcome back to my video. We're back with another video. In today's video I will continue the part 7 video showing you my project I done so far. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, we're back. The last time we ended up here. I was about to show you this project. This project is I done it while I'm watching the tutorial video. Everything this project is, I'm just copying and pasted, and throughout those process I learned many things. I already know about class, but I also helped me to have a solid understanding. It helped me to have a solid understanding, and then also for what purpose we are going to use it. Also, I know how the tool is, you have the tool, but if you don't know how to use the tool, that's not going to help you at all. So it helped me to in which specific times to use it, and that's a good part. Okay, let's start explaining what these codes are doing. First, I import random for what for later codes needed, and then after that I create class name, and then in those names I specific some variables. For negative will be string is negative, and for those two are the same. So for normal strings, and positive for positive strings. And if I called let me check. Alright, okay, if I do I think, if I'm not wrong, if I do name and negative, it will print it out here. It will display in the terminal these strings, and that's why I do this for later code. Later I use this for later codes, maybe here, maybe I don't know. Okay, after that I create class name review, and then after that I use int for to do. If I alright, I think I'm wrong. I don't think you will going to display. Okay, let's check together. If if you will display the string is negative, I was right or not? Probably not right. Name dot let's see. As you can see, I was right, but I use this for I forget about, but okay. Alright. Now I understand what this code is doing here. Right here is I'm going to let's show. It's hard to explain. I'll do a review. I'm typing by my one hand because while I'm recording this video, I'm just not sit comfortable, so that's why I'm writing slowly. So I apologize for that. if I say dots and message. Alright, what did I just did? Alright, alright, I'm wrong here. Okay, let's say T equal to review. And then I'll say T dots message. It will probably going to print the message that put it here. So let's say I'll say like 5 7 just randomly, and you're going to print it out here 5. As you can see here, that's where the code is working. And that's and for this purpose I'm going to explain this now. A quick story. While I'm working this is like my first cycathlon project. I'm not firstly I started this project searching in YouTube like cycathlon tutorial video, and I got some guy video, and I follow up and worked, but I didn't even feel like I started my machine learning project. But I think this might be my first machine learning project. And also I didn't tell you what this project is predicting. This project is predicting if the person is writing a negative content of sentence or positive or normal based on their message. It will going to predict. So there is only one features there. When we train the model, there's going to be their message, and if that was good or bad. So based on that, it will going to tell us when we test our model. It will going to tell us from the past train. It will going to predict if it's negative or positive. That's this all codes are working here. So to do that, I told you this is negative, normal, positive, and then after that, I create review, and also the data is based on Amazon feedback, on items feedback, and there to know the message is bad or good. If the message is if the person that wrote that message gives less than 3 star, it will going to be a negative message. That will be the negative. And then if the person are the persons that are rated the feedback, if that was more than 3 star, if the person gives more than 3 star, it will going to be positive feedback, and if it's 3 star, it's going to be normal. And that's how the data is defined, and it doesn't specifically told in the first data we changed that data into that bad or good based on their feedback, on their stars they given. So that was the data look like, and the source is from Amazon feedback, and some person posted in, I think, car, I don't know what's called, but current. Let me okay, I'm back for my research, and it's called Kaggle, and I know this is very famous website, and you can find many of data sets from there. And again, I'm sorry for forgetting the name of this website name, but it's called Kaggle, and you can find it from there, the data set. I don't know specifically what's called the person name that uploaded the data, but you can search like Amazon feedback, and uh, their I don't know, you might be more good in grammar, so you can figure out. So when we back to our code, this code will going to take more time to explain, but you can, if you wanna to check out the YouTube videos, the person that worked this project and explanation, you can find it in YouTube. I'm not going to promise, but I will try to write it down the link of this video on description, but I'm not going to promise. Maybe I'm not going to do that, but check the description if I not forget it and put it there. Okay, after that I import JSON to the file is need JSON to through see the file. This is not like I did not use Panda for this project. After I do that, I open my file and I do those codes, and after that I import test and train test split, and then like other video like you see, I do this split algorithms, and after that I divided my okay, and then after that I divided my train and test datas. After no, I'm not did that. Okay, here I divided my train and test data here. Okay, after that I import some library that convert to vector, called convert to vector. It helps to convert letters, characters into numbers, vector numbers, and machines only understand numbers, so the algorithm can work if you change the the characters into numbers. So after I did that, here as you can see I change my train my train x and my train y into vectors. This will be the features. Okay. after I did that, I here I fit I import decision tree. For this purpose I use decision tree, and this algorithm actually work like if something's happen and something happen and something happen, we're going to predict. I mean, if something, for example, if you will going to ask you question many times, and then after that we're going to figure out if uh, you can you can search it in Google. I don't know, I can explain this algorithm, but actually like it will going to ask many question, and after those questions, based on your question, you will going to give the predict. That's how I understand this algorithm, and then I fit my data into my algorithm, and then I predicted. Here as you can see, this sentence will be negative. Let's read. I have to admit that the I purchased this putting it to be a much different types of books. This is not my normal types of story to read, but yet once I started reading it, I couldn't put it down. I fear to say that I lost some sleep because of the quality of writing in the introduce positive. As you can see, it predict negative, but it seems like it's not negative. So this model might be a bad model. And then after that, I use uh, other. I also use other algorithms. Here, this algorithm does not work for my PC. I don't know why, but I just commented out because it doesn't work. But I also use logistic regression, and this predict positive, and it looks like it is good algorithm to fit in. And after I do that, I predict my CAVC and decision tree and logarithm algorithms that I fit to my data fit, and I score them, and it gets 0.7, 0.6, and 0.79, and it looks like the last one is have a good scoring other than the other one. So, and then after I did that, I import for more specific, for more scoring, I import F1 scoring from matrix, and then I score the logarithm, this one, for all of for all of for specific for specific tasks. Here it will predict for this will be the negative. It will predict 0.79 accuracy, and for normal I think I drop out all of the normal, so it will going to predict 0 because it does not recognize this when I split my feature. I don't know, my output, I think, and then it looks like it's predicting not bad but not good also. And then for test it, I just put this I put these vectors to predict my what do you call my model predict my model, and then after that I predicted this changed to the vector and it predicted, and as you can see this completely negative, and this also predicted negative. It looks like it doesn't recognize this was positive, and this also negative, and this is a good example, and it means 2 of its get 2 after 3, and it looks like not very bad model, and it also not very good model, some above the middle to the good, to be the good model. And this is the project looks like. And for today's video I will be ended up here, and I will continue in the next video from here, and then make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for someone interested in machine learning. And goodbye.